What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 14 and today's topic will be how to use Llama Index prompt with index query. Okay, so when I say index query, I'm trying to actually say that we'll be going to use some sort of like simple vector index, and the vector index will be like developed with the help of some sort of text file, and after that we will see how to use prompts in your index query. Till now we haven't done any sort of prompting while accessing our data from the vector index, but in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to use llama index prompts when you are going to fetch some data from the vector index, or whenever you are going to work with your vector index. Okay, so index query with llama index prompt. Okay, so now let's see. I don't know why it is actually giving like this. Okay, so like this. Okay, llama index, so it will be capital I. Okay, and the tutorial source code is actually given here. Now what we'll do, we'll be actually going to start working on the coding part. Okay, so I have already created something, a paragraph on the King Napoleon. Okay, and I'll be going to actually create a vector with the help of this thing. Okay, so first thing first, let's start working on the from llama index dot code. Okay, so the input will be two. There will be two inputs. So simple directory reader is actually one input, and another one will be what, just hold on, another one will be uh, vector stored index. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll be going to actually create the loader. So let's say documents equals to simple directory reader. Inside that I'll be just going to write data, and there I'll be just going to write load data, right? And let's see whether it is actually giving any error or something. Okay, so no error means everything is actually working fine, but just to actually make sure, I would like to use some print statements here. Okay, so it is going to give me the entire file. Okay, so all fine, good. So now what we'll do, we'll be going to create a vector index. Okay, so let's say index equals to vector index. Okay, dot from documents. Okay, and there I'll be just going to write documents. All done, right? So let's execute one more time. No error means everything is working fine. Okay, everything is working fine. Now we'll be going to set up. So from llama index dot llms dot openai import openai. So now what I'll do, I'll be just going to set up LLM, then OpenAI, and I'll just write model equals to GPT-4 Omni model. Okay, all fine. Okay, so I just executing this thing to check whether my API keys are correctly set up or not. Okay, no error means everything is fine. Now what we'll do, now we'll be going to set up one more import from llama index dot core dot prompts. Okay, here it will be prompt template, right? So first we'll be going to write template string. Okay, template string will be something like this. Okay, okay, um, with the given context, with the given context with this given context, you have to answer the below question with this given context. We have to, so, and I have to mention, you have to use the given context only, nothing else. Okay, uh, uh, use the context only to answer if if context is not helpful, just just write uh, mm, mm, no context found. Okay, something like this. Okay, so let's see. And then template, what will be this thing? So it is actually template string, then probably the next one will be text qa template. Okay, and it should be from template, and inside that I'll be just going to place my template string. Okay, all done. Now what we'll do, we'll be going to do two things without prompt. Okay, so without prompt, let's say we'll be going to set up an query engine. Query underscore engine equals to index, okay, dot as query engine. Okay, so while we create this as query engine, so we'll be going to pass this llm equals to llm, right? And then response equals to query engine dot query, and here we'll be just going to write something which is not available. Let's say ask who is some character. Let's say uh, who is let's say who is Cristiano Ronaldo. Okay, and here we're just going to print the response. Okay, so this is without prompt. I just want to make you guys aware of this thing. Okay, so I'm not using any prompt, but index is actually having some other information. Let's see what is actually going to happen. So here it is going to actually use its own. So see, it is using his own knowledge. Cristiano Ronaldo is a professional footballer known as exceptional skills, right? So it is giving you this answer, but that is actually not available in the prompt. So now what we'll do, we'll be going to do it without prompt. No, with prompt, actually, with prompt. Okay, so let's see with prompt what is actually coming. So I copy this thing again here, right? And here very simple thing we're gonna do, right? Text keyword template equals to text keyword template, right? So hopefully this is actually going to give me no context found. First, for this one it is going to give me the answer, and for this one it is going to give me that one. So let's see. Something I don't understand. What is the problem here? Okay, so here it should be okay, you have to understand. So this is actually query string. One is context string and one will be query string. Okay, so remember this thing, query str. Okay, so or else it is going to give you the error. Okay, so these things are actually standardized thing. Okay, again I did a mistake. QUERY. Okay, so you have to remember, you have to exactly use this query string, context string and query string, you have to remember, or else it is going to give you the error. Okay, so first it is going to give me this one, and next it is going to give me not a context found. Okay, so basically what is happening here in LangChain prompt, if you remember, we have to actually separately pass those things as an input variable into your prompt, right? But here we have just standardized this thing. The system will automatically understand context, what is context, and system will automatically understand what is query string, that is question. Because when I say query engine query, so query engine is actually getting generated with the index, so index is actually having the data, so this context is automatically, string is automatically going to get the data whatever is there in the vector index, and this query strings is automatically mapped with this thing. So that is amazing. So if you want to compare with LangChain and Llama Index, so one of the major difference is actually the prompting technique. So these things are really useful. If you know these things in details in and out, that will be really helpful for interview, right? Because if you are going to start working for a firm as a generative gen AI engineer or LLM ops developer or whatever, then this sort of things you can expect they are going to ask you. So that is why I'm just covering all those small aspects of Llama Index, small elements or components or every each and bits and pieces of Llama Index. And with that, I'm just trying to create very small tutorial, so that your intuition and your like conceptual like learning should be enhanced. And in the next part, like maybe after 1 month, when maybe I already posted 30 or 35 videos, I'll be start working on the integration projects. Okay, okay, I believe you guys also like the way I'm teaching. But if you don't like, or if you have some other like thinking or idea, please let me know. Okay, so that's it. With that note, I'll be just going to conclude the video over here. But before I conclude, I would like to request, if you're watching this video or channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share my videos with your family and friend, and try to go to my channel, a search box, and search for two playlists. One is LangChain and one is Llama Index. Obviously, I haven't. I actually posted other playlists as well. You can get a lot of other playlists, but the artificial intelligence related, these are the playlists: LangChain and Llama Index. In LangChain, probably I have posted 106 or videos, and in Llama Index we are just in 14 videos. So you can see there are a lot of learnings are available in the free of cost. So I will highly recommend all of you guys to watch this video. Llama Index is just started, but LangChain is completely done. Nowadays I'm just actually updating videos with respect to some specific member request or student request, and I'm planning to create some advanced like materials as well. So please try to subscribe to my channel. I always upload videos on artificial intelligence on regular basis, because if you don't subscribe to my channel will not grow. And if you guys help me to grow, I will be able to get some extra discoverability and push from the YouTube algorithm, and that will help me to reach large number of audience. So please guys, help me to reach my goals, and I will always come back with nice and quality content. Okay, so with that note, I'm just going to conclude the video over here. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day and happy learning.